Dear students, class 11th zoology, in the chapter digestion and absorption, we are going to discuss today essential components of our diet. Diet is the food which we daily take routinely in 24 hours. There are some essential components of our diet. If there is deficiency of any of the essential components or nutrients or minerals, that leads to the deficiency in the body, and this deficiency creates sometimes deficiency disease in the body. The substances which are essential components of our diet are water. This water we need 2000 ml per day. The essential source of water are foods and drinks, and those substances in which water is released during the oxidation. This water is essential for the composition of cell contents and body fluid dissolving substances. The next important component we need in our diet are proteins. Proteins we need 70 to 100 grams per day. This is our daily requirement. The source of this is the meat, eggs, milk, wheat, cheese and pulses. These proteins are used for in our body for growth, for maintenance, for repair and enzyme formation. One more important component is there, that is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, the daily requirement of our carbohydrates in our body is 500 grams to 500 grams. The source of these carbohydrates are cereals and the fruits. These are the source of our carbohydrates which we daily take. Milk is also the source of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are utilized for the energy generation and the structural molecules for the structural building of our cells and our body. There are other requirements also in our diet. One more is lipids, what we call as the fats. We need 50 grams of fats per day. The source of these fats is milk. The source of these fats is meat, butter, cream, cheese, oils and nuts. Lipids are utilized in our body for energy generation and the formation of membranes. The membranes of the cells are made up of lipoproteins. One more requirement is there. We need minerals in our diet. Minerals are the salts. For example, sodium, potassium, iron, iodine, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, manganese, copper, cobalt, fluorine, and molybdenum. These minerals, the source of these minerals are the table salt. Table salt is the source of sodium. Vegetables are the source of sodium. Vegetables are the source of potassium also. And whatever we take, the leafy vegetables, for example, lettuce, that contains iron. We need daily supply of 18 grams of iron obtained from green leafy vegetables. We need daily source of iodine, 150 milligrams. The source are seafoods and water, iodized salts. We need calcium, 1200 milligrams, 1200 milligrams. The source of calcium is the milk, cereals, meat and vegetables, used for the bone and teeth formation, nerve and muscle action. We need phosphorus, 1200 milligrams. Source is milk, cereals, meat and vegetables, used for bone and teeth formation. We need magnesium, 400 milligrams. Green leafy vegetables are the source of magnesium. We need zinc obtained from beet and cheese, used for enzymes. We need manganese, 5 grams daily, obtained from peanuts and whole wheat bread. We need copper in adequate amounts, obtained from beet and liver, used in enzymes, etc. And one more important component is our vitamins. Vitamins We need nutrients, the main source of fruits and vegetables and butter. From these we obtain. One more is meat and eggs, from which we obtain the vitamins. They are used for the regulation of metabolic processes, prevention of deficiency diseases. That's all for today.